Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to create an order invoice in Hostinger website builder appointment system. This is a website that I've built using Hostinger website builder. And for a previous video, I've already placed an order that I will create an invoice for in this video. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites. To locate this exact website, I will search using the website URL. This is the website. Click on Manage Store next to your website to go straight to the store management area. Now click on Orders. Then click on the order you want to create the invoice for. From this order page, click on More Actions. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger website builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger website builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Click on More Actions and select Create Invoice. You can preview the invoice before creating it. This is the invoice preview. Close this window and hit Create Invoice. Wait a moment. And just like that, your invoice is created. You can download it to your computer, print it, or send it to your customer via email. Let's download it and check it. This is the invoice. And this is how to create an order invoice in Hostinger website builder appointment system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, and if you have a question, leave it in the comments below. See you again.